Hi, my name is Candy. I do reviews. The products I receive are at a reduced price or free from different manufacturers. This does not affect my review of the products or my opinion. If there is a problem with a product, I will say there is a problem. Today I am reviewing let's see if I can get this into focus here. And I probably can't. That's what I'm trying to do here. It is the Hitasion. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong instead of right. It is Hitasion. These are fast charging and sync cords. There is a 6-foot type C cable and a 6.6 foot and a 3.3 foot cable. Those are these two. And then these are type C adapters. They are USB-C to micro adapter, USB, and these will connect to this is a partial list. Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, LG G6, G5, Apple new notebook, or I'm sorry, MacBook, OnePlus 5 3T2, Google Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P, Moto Z2 Play, a Chromebook, Nintendo Switch. So these are some really nice cords and little adapters to have on hand. And I actually have them to give as a Christmas gift for my grandson, who will be getting a Nintendo Switch. So please like subscribe to my channel, like my video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.